Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google app or Chrome and tapping the lens camera icon in the search bar. Once done, grant camera permission so lens can see the barcode. This is required for scanning. Make sure the rear camera is selected and hold your device steady. Aim to fill about 1/3 to 1/2 of the frame with the barcode so lens can detect lines accurately. You're now ready for the next step, position and capture. You should center the barcode and keep the phone roughly 4 to 12 inches away. This range helps autofocus lock. Once the frame is stable, either tap the capture button or wait for lens to auto-detect the barcode. If the scan stalls, move slightly closer or change the angle to reduce glare. After detection, lens will display a product result or a numeric code. Tap the result to open product details, search results, or copy the barcode text for other use. You finish by tapping the displayed result to view product info, compare prices, or copy the numeric barcode for manual entry. If you need to share, use the share icon or paste the copied code into another app. If scanning fails, make sure lighting is even, remove glare, and gently wipe the camera lens. Also verify you allowed camera permission. If problems persist, restart the app or try a different device camera. These quick fixes solve most scan issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.